What is going on, guys? Hope you're having a great day out there today. So I've just discovered an absolute game changer of a service that is very easy to use, even for absolute beginners and beginners, accelerating your trading journey without actually having to know any technical jargon or have any technical analysis skills. It's called SignalPeak.io, and essentially what it is, it's a Telegram one-day free trial opportunity where you can jump in, try it for free. You will need Telegram to do it. I've been using this recently and actually have been making quite a few winning trades. And as I said, it's great because I don't actually have to spend hours on the charts using TrandingView, drawing lines, doing technical analysis. I can just follow these trades and just make these leverage winners very easily at the drop of a hat and just pay a little bit of money for that service. Now, of course, if you do want to get involved in SignalPeak.io, this Signal's provider, folks, the link to do it will be at the top of the pinned comments and also at the top of the video description. And please always do remember that we are not financial advisors on this channel here, and I am not giving you any financial advice. So always do your own research before investing and never ever invest any more than you can afford to lose. Let's get into the video right now. Alrighty, folks, so we are on the website right now, signalpeak.io, and it's very simple, very easy to understand. And as I mentioned in the intro, I love this because whether you're an absolute beginner or intermediate, you're going to find it very easy to get involved in this. So do remember to get signed up with the link at the top of the description and at the top of the pinned comments of this video. All right, so what it's all about, guys, it's shared in places like Newsmax, Bazinga, Business Insider, okay? So this is a pretty serious Signal project, okay? They're giving us some really nice signals here. If you scroll down a little bit and have a bit of a look here as well, these are what you can get access to here, folks. Discover a treasure trove of insider knowledge with SignalPeak curated list of premium Telegram channels with crypto signals. Gain access to over 100 plus elite sources, each offering unique market insights and trading strategies. Now, folks, there are a lot of fantastic premium groups here, but for the purpose of today's video, the one I've been having some good success with here is going to be Binance Killers, okay? So this one right here, we're going to be taking a look at. Then, of course, if you do decide to have a look at some other channels, you can just press show all channels there, and you can have a look at all of the rest of the channels just here. What's really cool as well is that you can trade anywhere, anytime using all of the major exchanges that you might use. So whether it's Binance, Crypto.com, MEXC, Coinbase, KuCoin, BitGet, you are covered completely, okay? So when we're at the plan section here, as we said before, guys, this is the one that you can go ahead and get started on and try today, okay? The one-day free trial, okay? Pretty cool, because often a lot of these Signal services, they make you pay up front. They don't give you a free trial, okay? So make sure you do take advantage of this opportunity, okay? It's kind of crazy not to. What do you got to lose? Nothing, all right? 1 month for 99 bucks, $350 for a lifetime. Definitely worth it in my opinion. Because the thing is, folks, quite frankly, you know, $350, $99, if you were to pay for all of these together, okay, you'd be looking at maybe like a few $100, maybe even over $1,000, okay? So it's a fantastic deal. This video is sponsored by PrimeLink. If you're tired of messy links and complicated tools, PrimeLink has everything in one place. You can create clean URL shorteners, generate QR codes directly from your links, and build bio pages that showcase all of your important content in one single page. So what really does make PrimeLink different from other platforms? PrimeLink is faster, more customizable, and truly user-friendly. No confusing dashboards, no paywalls, and absolutely no hiding basic features. And brands that want to look professional, but without having to overpay. Try today at primelink.net. And make your digital presence simpler and stronger. The link will be at the top of the video description and in the pinned comment. Let's get back to the video. Alrighty, folks, so essentially all you need to do is press the start button on the website, okay? So just to go back and show you, bang, hit start free trial. That's going to automatically open up this SignalPeak bot window right here. And it's as simple as just going ahead and hitting start bot. So we can hit the start bot button right there. All right, folks, so if you are getting stuck, just make sure you have the actual Telegram desktop or mobile app actually downloaded, okay, just in case you get stuck just on the browser version, okay? So once we're here, we're going to go ahead and hit Start Bot, okay? It's going to prompt us to open in the actual desktop here, okay? And then from here, it's going to say, what can this bot do? 1 day's free trial available. So we're going to go ahead and actually just click Start right there. And that's going to take us to the next section here, okay? So we've got top VIP groups here, and we're going to go with Binance Killers RVIP, okay? So as we can see, it gives the corresponding prices here: 1 month 99, 1 day for free, and $350 for a lifetime subscription there. All right, so we're going to go ahead and hit 1 day free just there. And that's going to give us the next section here. All right, please select to join our channels. Okay, so we can go ahead and hit join free channels here. Okay, and here we go. So if you don't want to like get spammed by joining all the groups straight up, which is something that I would like to do, so I don't have to individually go and like turn off all the notifications, you can go deselect all, and then you can just jump into this top one here, which has 417 subscribers, Binance Killers, VIP signals, and you can add that one for free. Folder free added. Okay, so that's been added there on the left-hand side here, the free folders here. And it says you've joined this channel. Okay, you can just click in there and bang, we're straight in the group. Okay, we've got all the signals here. And actually, we just had one come through, I think, at 8:15. All right, for example, Zen VIP market update. Okay, so yeah, pretty cool. All right, so we're going to go have a look at a recent trade on TradingView and have a look at how it would have played out. And actually, we can already see here that it's actually played out really, really well. Okay, so we got this one here at 6:42. Okay, 6:42 on December 7th. Okay, and then the following day, right, today is the 9th. Okay, so this was from yesterday in terms of when the actual trade came through at a 23.45% profit, which was a 5x. Fire emojis, very juicy on that long trade. Okay, so shame I actually missed that one. But essentially what it was, guys, you can see it here. Okay, it gives you the entry price at 1.996 to 2.032, and then it gives us our target. So I love how it gives us like a variety of stop loss targets there. Okay, so if you're playing a bit more conservative, for example, you can just take 100% out at 2.064. If you want to play the long game and let it ride for a bit, you can go out at 2.60. Okay, gives you the stop loss there at 1.9623 in this example. And then, yeah, we can actually have a look on the chart and see how that basically would have played out from yesterday. Alrighty guys, so we are on TradingView right now. We are on the XRP USDT Binance chart, and basically our entry would have been right down here, see, at 1.996, and basically we would have ridden that up to that second take profit level right here at around about 2.110. Okay, so that would have been, yeah, pretty accurate. 5.7% gain to the upside. So that's a fantastic little gain, considering the trade was really just on for 1 day. Okay, so just trading those candles. Okay, that's just an example on the 4-hour chart there that we're using there. But really good to see that we're able to use SignalPeak.io, would have been able to use it to make that nice little profit there. Alrighty folks, so that is all for today's video using SignalPeak.io. Let me know in the comment section what you thought about that XRP trade. Over a 5% gain in less than a day. It's pretty good, just based off one of the recent signals for that Binance Killers group. Man, I mean, the bottom line is you nail a few of those just in the first week of the first month, you're going to be making that money back easily, even at just that $100 a month. It's definitely worth its weight in gold. So make sure you go ahead and get signed up for at least the 3-day trial, and then get signed up for the $100 per month, and maybe even more if you're banging some big bucks into this one, okay? All of the links will be at the top of the video description and in the pinned comments. If you enjoyed this video, smash the like button, subscribe, hit us up in the comments, let us know what's going on. If you have any issues at all, turn that notification bell on so you don't miss out on any future videos, and we'll very much look forward to seeing you in the next video. Cheers.